I'm going to create a look using MAC Cosmetics. I've stopped buying from MAC, but it used to be one of my favorite brands, and I feel like it was one of those OG makeup brands, but no one talks about MAC Cosmetics anymore. I still have a lot of their products left, so let's see if I can create a look. I have a huge MAC lipstick collection, so if you haven't watched my video previously on all my MAC lipsticks, so I'll leave the link above. Let's get going. I'll talk about all the products I have. Some of these are limited edition and discontinued and probably expired, but let's keep going. First up, we have the very famous MAC Strobe Cream, and this was one of those very popular products. If you wanted a glow, this was the product that was used, and it gives the nicest glow on your face. It's like the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, but this was the OG. I no longer have a liquid concealer from MAC, but I have the pot concealer, and I have this one. So I used to have this in the lighter version. This is the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, but I have the darker shade which I use as a color corrector, and it works really good because it gives the right amount of coverage. And this is in the shade NC42, which is around 3-4 shades darker than my normal skin tone, but I'll use it as a color corrector and around my mouth. Just blending that out. I love using the Pro Longwear Concealer as a color corrector because it doesn't glide everywhere. It actually stays in the places that I want it to stay. Now for foundation, I have two options. We have the MAC Face and Body, which is lighter coverage, and MAC Studio Fix, which is a medium to full coverage buildable. So today I'm going to use the MAC Face and Body because I don't want super full coverage. And this is in the shade C3. I used to take this foundation everywhere with me for holiday, especially when I wanted a lighter, breathable coverage. So I would say it's like a tinted moisturizer with a bit more coverage. It's super liquidy, as you can see. The consistency is very runny. Whilst applying these MAC products, I'm getting nostalgic. The smell is actually bringing back a lot of memories. We used to have a MAC store 5 minutes away from my house, and I remember going every day just to try out their products, and I'd always purchase a MAC lipstick every time I would walk into the stores. And MAC lipstick was actually one of my first high-end purchases. I remember saving up for that one MAC lipstick. Some of my blemishes using the pot concealer, and this is the shade NC30. I'm just going to use this underneath my eyes just to brighten it up a little bit. I wouldn't actually use this type of concealer underneath my eye because I feel like it creases a lot. But for the sake of this video, let's just use it. Now to set my foundation, I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix powder. I still use this today when I want a full coverage base. It is actually a foundation, so it adds a little bit more coverage. And this is in the shade NC35. It really sets your base and gives a nice finish as well. Next, I'm going to bronze up my face using the MAC Global Glow Mineralized Skin Finish. I love this product. It acts as a nice bronzer and also highlighter. For blush, I'm using this shade. I can't tell what shade it is. I think it's the shade Mocha because it's completely worn off. It's actually dried up, so I'm just going to pick up a lot more product. For highlighter, I'm going to use a product that I haven't touched because I just love the way the detailing is on this highlighter. It is the MAC Oh Darling Extra Dimension Skin Finish Highlighter. I'm just going to gently. For the eyes, I'm going to use this quad, and it was limited edition. It was for Christmas. Look how beautiful this packaging is. And it comes with 4 eyeshadows. I love these type of eyeshadow palettes because it's perfect for traveling. It has a nice transition shade, black eyeshadow, and also a highlighter shade. Let's use the shimmer in the center. Use the black eyeshadow to create a wing. For the eyelashes, I'm using this mini, which is the MAC Extreme Lash Mascara in black. But I do like mini size mascaras because it really helps to get into the lower lashes as well. Now to my favorite part of the routine, the lips, and this is the MAC lip pencil in Spice. I feel that MAC Cosmetics have created the best lipstick shades, and this is the shade in Taupe. Even now, I always go back to my MAC lipsticks when I'm trying to create a look. And this is the MAC lip gloss in Spice. And that's it, guys. This is the full look using all my MAC products I still have today. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and do let me know what is your favorite MAC products and do you still purchase from MAC.